Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to use if statement in C programming. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can use if else statement in C and how you can use nested if else statement in C programming. So in the last video I have given you an example that how you can check the age of the person, whether it's greater than 18 or equal to 18 or it's less than 18, right? Now I'm going to take the same example to demonstrate if else statement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this stuff, and now for example we just want to check whether the age is greater than 18 or it's not greater than 18. So we want to print if the age is greater than 18, then we want to print the age is greater than 18. Otherwise we want to print that the age is not greater than 18 or age is less than 18, right? So how we can do this? We can do this either you can write some condition that the age is for example if condition and something like this from our last video, but there is a condition called else which catches all the all the condition which is not true, right? So if age is not greater than 18, then the program goes to this else condition, and this else, as the name suggests, that it indicates every other condition which is not satisfied by your if condition. So if the age is not greater than 18, then it goes here in the else statement. So else after this bracket and then your curly bracket. So else doesn't take any condition because it doesn't need to check any condition, because it's everything other than this if condition, right? So in here we want to just write that the age is not greater than not greater than 18, right? And I'm going to compile and run my program, and this will give me the answer. So please enter the age. I will write, for example, age which is greater than 18, which is 21, and I will press enter, and it says me the age is greater than 18. Now I'm going to rerun the program, and this time I'm going to give 15, which is less than 18, right? And I will just press enter, and it says the age is not greater than 18. That means this condition is checked, and if this condition is not true, your program goes to this else condition or the else condition of this if statement, and this line will be printed, right? So this is how you can use else statement. Whatever which is not true in this condition or which is not satisfied by if condition will be catched by this else condition, right? Now there are situations where you need to check multiple situations. So for example you can just check multiple condition by if else statement. So for example you want to check if the age is greater than 18, or if the age is equal to 18, then you want to print age is equal to 18. Otherwise you want to print that age is not greater than or equal to 18. So you can just give the else here and then if, and as the name suggests, you can check the second condition using this else if statement, right? And it also takes this curly braces. Just provide these curly braces here, and here this if, because if it we are taking if condition here, so we need to check other condition. For example, age is equal to 18, age is equal to 18. We are checking whether the age is equal to 18. If the age is equal to 18, we can just print age is equal to 18. Otherwise we will print age is not greater than 18, or age is not greater than or equal to 18. So age is not greater than or equal to 18, right? So we can check these conditions, and this is called else if. So we can check multiple conditions by using else if statement. If, else if, and then otherwise if the condition is not true, then this will be executed. So what will be the program flow here? The program will ask the age first to the user, and it goes here, and if this age entered by the user is greater than 18, then this will be printed, and every other if condition will be ignored, and this will not be executed, this code, and this code will not be executed. Otherwise, if the age is not greater than 18, then it will go to this condition checking, else if condition checking, and your age, if the age is equal to 18, then this will be printed, and everything other than this will be skipped, and all the other code will not be executed, right? Otherwise, if the age is not equal to 18 and if the age is not greater than 18, this code will be executed. And in the same way, you can use multiple if else conditions like this. Okay, so it's not restricted that you only need to use one if else statement or else if statement. You can use multiple condition, and you can check multiple conditions using if else statement. Now for example, you want to check whether this age is greater than 18 but it's less than 21 also. How you can check it? So if the age is greater than 18, we want to print this condition, and inside this code we also want to check if the age is less than 21. So you can use nested if conditions like this. So here inside your if condition, which is this curly braces, you can use if. Once again, you can check the age is less than 21. You can print age is less than 21. Okay, so you can just print age is greater than 18 but less than 21. Okay, and in the other case, you can just write else here, else, and you can just provide other statement that if the age is greater than 18 but it's not less than 21. So but not less than 21. Okay, I will compile and run this program, and this is called nested if else condition. Okay, so because you are using if condition inside a if condition, it's called nested if else statements. Okay, so it's not necessary that you cannot use if condition inside if condition. You can use multiple if condition to check multiple conditions in C, right? Run the program, and for example, I give the age 26, which is greater than 18 but it's not less than 21. So ideally we will see this message: the age is greater than 18 but not less than 21. Press enter, and it says the age is greater than 18, which is this statement, which is due to this statement, the age is greater than 18. Now it goes here and it sees that 26 is not less than 21, so it goes to the else condition and it will print this: the age is greater than 18 but not less than 21, and it's printing it here. the age is greater than 18 but not less than 21. Otherwise, I will rerun this program, and let's delete, or not delete, but let's provide this line break here, so that this will be the change in the line, and this time we provide 20 as the age, and it says that the age is greater than 18 but the age is also less than 21, right? So in this way you can just check whether this age is multiple condition. You can check it from here, right? So this is how you can use if else statement and nested if else statement in C. This is called nested if inside your if else statement, and this is called else if statement, and this is called else statement in if statements. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.